Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Joy back again with another video. And today I am sharing some casual holiday outfit ideas for you featuring Banana Republic factory pieces. So you already know, if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. Now let's get into these looks. So first is this all white outfit. It's giving me that girl vibes. I am in love with these cargo pants. I love how sleek they are, but it's still very, very cute. Love the high neckline in this sweater. It's very comfortable, very loose for the girly that don't want to do too much but still want to pop out. This is definitely a great look. Pair these with some white heels or a pop of color to add a little bit of flair and you're good to go. I love how comfortable the pants are. They are true to size. I'm wearing a size 16 and the sweater I got in an extra large because you know your girl likes to go a little bit oversized. So the next outfit idea we have is this faux leather skirt and this button up top. Now I twisted the top to give it more of a wrapped effect. I love the skirt. I love that when you tighten it, it really gives you that cinched waist, which is really, really really good. You can definitely throw on a blazer or just throw on your jacket and doll it up with some jewelry and some high knee boots, still giving you that girl vibes. Like, I'm that girl, I'm doing my adult life, what's up? So the next look we have is this very casual, I'm in my house or I'm going over to my parents, they have Christmas all the time. We're gonna be comfortable and we're gonna wear some baggy jeans because we want to be able to eat whatever is there to eat. I love this look, very casual. Love the long cardigan, the button up, the jeans is giving me very, very comfy vibes that you could pair with sneakers or some nice chunky boots. This is definitely a must look for any of the girlies that just want to be free and comfortable, you know? So next we have the same pair of pants matched up with this striped oversized sweater. I love the sweater because it is a classic. We've seen this everywhere, the horizontal stripes. But what I love is that this sweater is not itchy compared to other ones. But this is definitely like a brunch idea if you're not trying to do too much. You want to be simple but still cute because you could throw on a motorcycle jacket with it. You could wear some boots or some heels to jazz it up. This is a very easy must-have look if you're going Christmas shopping or you're going to go see like a Broadway show or do the Christmas tree events at Rockefeller Center. Like, this is one of those outfits and I'm loving it. So next outfit we have is this matching sweater set with this skirt and I am in love with the color. This is definitely a date night outfit. This is definitely office party material. Look, it's very petite friendly. I love even the way it hits because you can definitely style this up. Because this look is so cozy and so simple, I will jazz it up with a bunch of necklaces just to give that added flair. I love the turtleneck details. I love the elastic waistband on the hips. I love how the skirt has an A-line silhouette. And I love that the sweater is a bit oversized but not too much, so you can definitely tuck this in and wear it together as a dress. So next we have this faux leather pants, this oversized jacket, and this sweater look. Now I am digging these vibes. This is a bootcut faux leather pants. I love the fit. This is a size 16. I can actually go down a size mainly because it has so much stretch. I was very shocked. I love the color. I love the fit. I love the simplistic details. The jacket for me is what's really giving. I definitely prefer my jackets oversized, but this brings the look together without making me feel lost. I love the sweater because the sweater has a high neckline and also has a bell sleeves, which is really, really cute. And it has a peekaboo back opening, which is adorable. So if you wanted to go braless or if you wanted to wear a half bra, you definitely can. The sweater is super comfortable. Love the mock neckline. It's super cute. Love how many pockets is on this jacket. Love the side details. Love the buttons, the pockets. This is definitely a go-to outfit. So next, I decided to elevate the look by adding this cardigan sweater and this button-up blouse, and it's giving me very much office party friendly. I love this because sometimes you don't want to do too much. You're still at the office, but you want to have fun too. So this is a great switch up. You could definitely add some heels to this. This is definitely a great night outfit you could do, but still be very comfortable and casual. The button-up is a size large and the cardigan is an extra large. Like, I love the button-up. I love the cardigan. I love the length of it, the chunkiness of it. The cable knit is just mwah, everything. And honestly, it's your work. So next, you know I had to give you a sweater dress just because that is so simple, so casual, but so chic. I love the off the shoulder cowl neck. I love the slit on the side. And I even love how the sleeves are a little bit shaped into a belt. This is a size large that I am wearing. You can definitely go up if you want it to be looser. Overall, this is so comfortable. Love where it stops. You could definitely, if you want to belt this, you definitely can. Overall, this is such a great casual holiday outfit to have. So that wraps up today's casual outfit ideas. Please let me know in the comments which look was your fave. If you're gonna try any of these looks out, I would love to know. You already know if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.